The Ultimate Bikers Association Tulba Maukarwat unit had a pre-Christmas celebration with the poor and needed people from Mau Thau Pada, Marshalong, Mau Sakwang, Penden Sakwang and Jakram village in southwest Khasi Hills district. Led by its president Karnatik L. Tongkhar, Tulba starts its celebration with a Christmas caroling and rally with two-wheelers, which kick-started from Dak Bangla Mau Kerwat to Mau Thau Pada, Marshalong, Saukwang, Penden Sakwang, Jakrem, and then culminated at Mau Kerwat. On the day, Tulba Mau Kerwat unit donated food items and blankets to total numbers of nine poor families from Mau Thau Pada, 2 Marshalong, 1 from Sakwang, 1 from Penden Sakwang, and 2 from Jakram village. Speaking on the occasion, Karnatik L. Tongkhar gave a special thanks to all the members of the Tulba Maukarwat unit for being kind by donating something to the poor families.